I am so excited. I've just gone for a mixed doner. First time in here, lodging around the corner. The meats look insane. Absolutely lush. I'm so excited. And it's arrived. So, that chicken doner is really good. I haven't got hardly any lamb though. Got about 2 strips. Just giving their chilli and their garlic sauce a bit of a. Portions are quite small though. It's about 4 strips of doner meat on there. But tasted nice, give it a go. The bread's really tasty. Ooh. Crispy, that chewy sort of texture to the bread, really nice. Really let down with that. I'm not usually on to moan that much, but the portions were absolutely tiny, and on the menu it said £11 for a large mixed. He charged me £15. I don't know if I got charged an extra bit for sitting in there. But I told them I didn't want bread on top, and they brought me over crispy bread. I don't know, they just charged me to sit in, and then the doner meat was pretty average. I feel like it was all about the sheesh in there. The portions were I thought it was absolutely tiny. Half the plate was rice. We come over bread, which I didn't ask for. A lady come in and got a small chicken doner. The takeaway while I was in there, and her portion looked like twice the size of mine, so I don't know what happened there, but oh well. Sorry, my phone died then, guys. Yeah, so I remember the days when you go to your local kebab, you pay £5 for a small, you pay £7.50 for a large. I don't really cost of living crisis, but you used to get a massive mound of it, a massive amount. That was the whole point of kebabs. You used to get so much money. That's the whole point of them. You used to get so much for your buck on the kebab, and some of them have just gone ridiculous. It's like the whole execution of that place is really good. It's all really clean, nice in there. Sheesh are really good, but yeah, it's just a little doner meat with lukewarm as well. It's gonna have to be like a 6-1. I mean, there might be good next time I get a bit of sheesh, but it's really let down with that.